This is Country Monster. I'm filling in for Flor's freshman. Today is her birthday. Now, let's report on the sun. There it is. All right, so we have all these chemtrails just all over. They must have sprayed. They sprayed all this. This is what they do. They spray cold freon into the air. There's a plane right there. It's a plane, and it's coming from Phoenix, and it's heading. Looks like it's going to turn and head. Looks like it's going north or back the other way. It's heading northeast by passing the solar simulator, and it's heading towards, I won't be able to tell you until it makes that turn into the chemtrails. And you see what the chemtrails are doing? Oh, it's so horrible. Anyway, this is Country Monster reporting. Let's see if I can get some chemtrails in there mixed with the solar simulator, the connector, the disc, the collector box inside this solar simulator. I can barely get any action off of it, but I guess that plane took off to New York. Look. All right, that's about it. So, Florie's birthday today, so she has the day off, so wish her a happy birthday. All right, bye.